Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing in so your downloads sync to your account. Once done, tap your profile icon, choose Offline Maps, then select your own map. Drag and zoom to capture the exact area you need. Make sure to check the estimated download size and use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. If storage is tight, free up space or pick a smaller area. This step locks the map tiles locally so you can navigate without a signal. Next, configure navigation settings so offline maps behave like online ones. You should enable GPS and set location to high accuracy. This ensures precise positioning even without data. After the map downloads, save critical places and common routes to saved lists so you can access them quickly. Make sure offline map settings are set to auto-update on Wi-Fi if you want fresh data, and choose internal or SD storage depending on space. These steps make routing and search more reliable when offline. To navigate, tap a saved place or search while still within the downloaded area. Google Maps will use local tiles for routing and voice guidance. Once en route, make sure GPS stays enabled. Maps will recalculate without live traffic data, so per plan alternates if needed. When finished, update or delete offline maps to free space. If something goes wrong, check storage space, confirm Maps has location permissions, and look at the offline Maps expiry. Redownload if tiles are expired or corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.